Welcome to lesson number 22, special occasions. Today we're going to talk about celebrations, party, and the future. Yes, this is about the future tense. Let's see. Hernan, would you mind to read the objectives, please?
Hello, okay. I will learn to ask for information about future celebrations. 2, I will learn to answer questions about future celebrations. 3, I will learn to invite others to future celebrations.
Perfect, thank you. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to ask for information, answer if somebody asks us, and then we have to learn how to invite people to a party or a celebration. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. If you remember some lessons ago, we already talked about the courtesy form. When we ask, would you like to? Would you like to? This is a polite way to ask for something. And what came here? What I always say, these are orders on these guys. For example, let's see. It's my birthday, yeah, and I want to make a party. How would you say, if you were me, how would you complete this sentence? Would you like to
come?
Come? Yes. Where?
To the celebration?
To? Sorry?
Yes. To celebration?
To the celebration, yeah, to the party, to the celebration, perfect. Okay. Already. See? Would you like to come to the celebration? Remember that I always say that here is an order in disguise. It's the imperative form in disguise. Decoramos la orden, come to my celebration, come to my party, with a would you like to, ¿sí? Las disfrazamos a las órdenes de cortesía. Okay, and we can learn other ways to talk or to invite people, and this can include, do you want to? Do you want to? Do you want to read the examples, Mariela?
Go to the refreshments.
Sorry?
Do you want to go to the refreshment?
Where are you reading? Yeah, it's okay, but I don't know where are you reading.
And
so you are creating a new one. So okay. I was trying you to read the examples, but it's okay. But it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, you use it right. Do you want to go to refreshments? Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's
Where
always
do
the
you-
same.
Okay. Where do you like to go to the party with me?
Yes. Why not?
Do you want to come waiting reception with me?
I don't know. Would they be celebrating a real wedding or something like it's not a real? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. And I think I already told you that, but we can use the present tense to speak about the future. We can say, there is a party on Friday. This is the present tense. There is. There is. In Spanish, hay. There is a party on Friday, but this is talking about the future. It's another way to express the future tense, but using the present conjugation of a verb. We say, there is a party on Friday. And this is equivalent to say, there will be a party on Friday. This is the future. Okay. And the same here, when it is at the church and will be. Will be. But we already talked about this in the lesson about the future tense, in the lessons, because there were many. Okay. Do you have any questions regarding this one?
Esas son las formas correctas, las dos están correctas.
Yes. Yes.
Ah,
This
okay.
This is talking about the future in the future tense, and this is talking about the future in the present tense. I don't know why they use it like this, but I think in Spanish we do the same.
Okay.
Hay un partido de fútbol mañana. Hay es ahora. Va a haber un partido de fútbol mañana, ¿sí? Es en el futuro, pero bueno, es una forma de decirlo. And we can invite people. Our goal is to ask for information, answer questions, and invite others. We started with the third one, to invite. When we want to invite, we say, would you like to, or do you want to? And okay, so this is how we invite people, and we can invite them to different events or occasions. Some of them are, Juan, would you like to read some of the celebrations?
The event.
Wedding.
Yes, this is a wedding. But, okay.
Casamiento.
Yeah, that's a wedding here, like this.
Una boda.
They are getting married. They are getting married. When you go to a wedding, two people are getting married. The next one should be
Graduation.
Okay, what is a graduation? Yeah, what is that?
La graduación.
Yes, that's in Spanish. Can you say in English what a graduation is?
Finish in the school.
Yes, when you get a grade, when you get a grade. If you go to the school and finish the last year of school with all the exams, okay, good qualifications, you can have a grade and you graduate, okay?
Okay.
And the graduation is the party that you do to celebrate that you are graduated, okay? What is this?
Reception.
Yes. And this is a meeting, a gathering, yeah, to celebrate something, maybe to, you know, maybe not celebrate, but, you know, to be together with people that you're sharing something. For example, for a funeral, you can have a reception. In a funeral, you're not celebrating, but it depends on the people who is on the coffin. But yeah, you may or may not be celebrating. Okay. Did you get the joke, or I think Juan did? Yeah, let's see your faces. Yeah, none also. Yeah, a reception is, yeah, you put some food, maybe some drinks, and you can, you know, chat with people. It's a occasional uh, meeting or something like this. Then we have, oh, then we have
Birthday.
a birthday. Yeah, what is that? We know that word. A birthday.
Birthday.
When do we celebrate that? Hmm? When do we celebrate our birthday?
My birthday in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks from now? Okay, that's good. We can celebrate the end of the course and your birthday also, right?
Right.
Perfect. And you may have one birthday party a year, right? Every year you can have a birthday party. Give me a second. That Diana is trying to come into the lesson, but she cannot. Let's see if I can do something for her. Give me a sec. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Then we can have an anniversary. What kind of celebration is this? What kind of occasion? Huh? How do we celebrate an anniversary? Sorry?
The wedding. For
Yeah,
example.
your wedding. Yeah, when you get married, you go first to a wedding, and next year you can have an anniversary, your first anniversary, then the second, third, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Then celebration, party. These are similar. Let's see. These are words, or these are synonyms. Yeah, they are the same. An invitation. And what are refreshments?
Refrescos.
Yeah, but not only.
Refrigerio.
Yeah, that's the correct translation. Refreshments is, yeah, that may include your drinks or something to eat. Yeah. Maybe when you have a meeting or you finish an activity, it's really common in the church that you go to an activity, let's say for young women, and they end the activity with refreshment. Sorry, there is a lot of noise. Where is it coming from? Okay, it's not there anymore. I think it's me. Hola. Yeah, it's me. In somebody's, yeah, I think it's you. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Now we know how to invite people to a party. Would you like to come to my party? Would you like to have an anniversary party, you can ask your wife or your husband, your spouse. You can say, would you like to make an anniversary party? You can invite people or keep it private. And then you can ask questions, because they say, okay, do you want to come to my party? I don't know. I don't know if I want to go, because I don't know what. What do I need to know for a party or a occasion to say that I can attend or cannot? Do you understand my question in English? I can say it in Spanish.
In Spanish, please.
In Spanish, okay. Imaginemos que alguien te invita a una fiesta, ¿no? Te dice, do you want to come to my party? Do you want to come to my party? And you have to answer. Y tienes que responder. Me cambié de inglés y me cambié de inglés. Tienes que responder, ¿sí? ¿Qué necesitas saber para responder? Si sí o no.
¿Cuándo es la fiesta?
¿Cuándo? That is, how do you say it in English? When is the party? What else? ¿Qué más? Where? Yeah. At what time is it? Huh? Because if we don't have that information, we cannot confirm or deny that we can go. Okay. And how would you ask? Let's practice. I would say, would you like to come to my party? Yes. Would you like to come to my party? And then let's play that with your names. Huh? Play like this. I say, I will point you and you are going to answer me, okay? With a question. I will point you and you have to answer me with a question. What does it mean? I say, would you like to come to my party? And you know, you need more information. So ask me for information.
Yes. When's gonna be?
Okay, when is it going to be? Okay, that's a good question. And I think that we can put one of you to answer. Let's see. Diana, you can answer that question.
Where is the party?
Okay, but first answer this, because I asked Juan Pablo if he can go. Okay?
Would you like?
No.
Oh.
So, Mariela asked, voy a decirlo en español para que no nos confundamos. Yo decía que les voy a hacer una pregunta y ustedes me tienen que responder con otra pregunta, ¿sí? Y
Okay.
los voy a poner acá. Entonces, les digo, bueno, alguien me preguntó, where is it going to be? Entonces te marqué a vos para que respondieras a esta pregunta. Answer this question. Okay?
Perfect.
So we can help Juan Pablo to decide, with all the information that we are going to give, if he can or cannot go. Si puede o no puede ir. Estoy Redora la exploradora hoy, estoy mezclando el inglés con el español de una manera que no sé si lo hice alguna vez. Okay, so Diana, you have to answer these questions that Mariela made.
The party is next Friday.
Okay, and let's see, Laura, make another question.
Where's gonna be?
And Hernan, give us an answer to this one.
A esa pregunta, ¿no? Where
Yes,
is
to the, yes.
going to be? It's going to be my home.
Okay. At my
home.
home. Yeah. Okay. Last question, Giovanna. One more.
It's going to be home. Dice que es en su casa. One time.
Okay. What time? Like this.
Que me faltaría algo. One time.
Yes.
17.
Yeah,
Siete,
but
siete.
just the question. Just the question.
¿A qué hora?
Yeah. What time?
Party or
Yeah. Yeah. Is the party like this? Huh? You ask this. Okay. And Juan Pablo, I would say that the party, it's.
the party is
I would
7
say, yeah. Okay. It's at 7 p.m. Huh? p.m. Okay, so would you like to come to my party now that you have all this information? How will you answer this?
No, I can't.
No, you can't. Perfect. Juan, can you?
Yes, I can.
Okay, but remember, I asked, do you want to come? So you have to answer, yes, I do. Okay, because I asked with do you. Can you come to my party? You can say, yes, I can. Okay, because it's which is the verb that I used to ask. Si pregunté con do, ustedes responden con do. Si pregunté con can, pueden responder con can. No significa que esté mal, se va a entender. Yes, I can, yeah, es como puedo y quiero, ¿no? Se va a entender. Pero bueno, solo para darles el detalle nomás. Bien, ¿se entendió entonces cómo sacamos información para saber si voy a poder ir o no a la fiesta?
Yes. Sí.
Con este set de preguntas tenemos suficiente. ¿Se les ocurren otras preguntas que podemos hacer para si nos invitan a un lugar?
¿A qué hora termina la fiesta?
Okay, and how would you ask that? ¿Cómo lo preguntarían?
What time they finish the party?
Okay, remember that we say what time and then, sorry. Me entró con el ojo. What time and then finish the party. Pero tenemos que hacerlo en pregunta. And we can ask, since the party is it is a third person, we say thus the party end or finish. What time does the party end? Okay, that's a good question, because sometimes we have to do something the next day and we cannot go to bed really late. What else? ¿Qué más pueden preguntar?
One question. The clothes is formal or casual?
Okay.
Very important. Very
Yes,
important.
that's a good question. You can say, is it casual or formal?
O
Um,
formal o informal, se puede decir,
Yeah.
o casual, o smoking, frac, o
Is it uh, a formal or informal occasion? Yeah. Or how is the dress code?
yes.
How is, not how else. The dress code, or what is the dress code also? Yeah. Some parties have dress codes that you have to wear a suit or you have to wear a white shirt. That's the dress code. ¿Mm? ¿Se entiende?
Dress code,
Dress code es una palabra que dice como
no,
las
no,
reglas para vestirse,
está bien.
¿sí? El dress code, que no sé si en español lo usamos también. Creo que lo entendemos si nos dicen, pero no sé si tenemos un equivalente. Bueno, el concepto sería cómo tenés que ir vestido, ¿no?
Sí, no, yo lo he escuchado,
Las
normas de
reglas.
vestir, sí, normas de vestir, sí, en un...
Claro, casual, formal, informal, elegante sport, también se usaba, mi abuela decía elegante sport, ¿sí? Ese sería el dress code, ¿m? Que es como decir, bueno, ¿cómo hay que ir vestido? Que es la pregunta. Muy buena pregunta también, ¿no? Porque uno por ahí va, te invitan a una fiesta de disfraces, ¿sí? Y o te dicen que es una fiesta de disfraces, vas vestido de patito y era una fiesta formal, qué sé yo, no sé, o algo así. ¿Ah?
Sí.
How would you say a party that you have to wear like a duck or an animal or something that you are not a fictional character? ¿Cómo le dirían a una fiesta de disfraces, ¿saben?
Mm, eh,
We call it costume party. ¿Ah?
¿Cómo
Costume
es?
party.
Costume.
Costume party. Or you can call it how are they called the forgot the name. I was about to make a joke and I forgot the name. Or you can call it also Comic Con. Yeah, the comic convention where all these otakus go. You know what an otaku is? It's a Japanese word for
Oh,
all the people that dress like they are manga heroes, like the
oh,
ones that they like. It's very common with teenagers, among teenagers, to be an otaku. My daughter is, but kind of. And they call it, if it's not a party, and they like to wear costumes for they fit those fictional characters, they call it cosplay. This is an international word. They use it everywhere. Cosplay. That it means that comes from costume. That means to wear something different. And play, like when you play a role on a play, on a theater. Cosplay is what they do. Se disfrazan de algo, ¿no? Juegan el rol de lo que se disfrazan. Por eso dicen cosplay. ¿Mm? Seguramente han escuchado esa palabra y más si tienen hijos adolescentes o cosas así. ¿O no? Y por lo general son de cosas japonesas. Les encanta. Es divertido. Si les gusta. Okay, let's move on. Let's work a little bit and let's review the time. How do we work with time? Let me take your names again. Here I have you. And let's put this for here. We have two conversations, and as usual, we're going to play those conversations. So, for the first conversation, we are going to play with Giovanna and Diana. Okay, for this one, conversation number one.
Okay.
Mhm.
Hey, Brian. Did you hear about the wedding?
No. Who is getting married?
Brett and Alicia are.
Really? That's great. When is the wedding?
It will be on August 15 at 1
One.
o'clock. One.
Mhm.
They are going to have a reception that evening.
I hope they send me an invitation.
Okay. Is Giovanna inviting Brian or Diana to this wedding?
No.
No, she's not inviting. A is not inviting B. They are talking about it. Hmm? They are talking about it. Because what does Brian say or Diana? How do you know that he is not invited? ¿Cómo saben que no está invitado? Ustedes me dicen, no, están hablando de la boda. ¿Mm? No es que, no es que lo esté invitando. Giovanna no la estaba invitando a Diana. ¿Mm? ¿Cómo saben que no estaba invitada?
Porque le está preguntando si está inventada.
No sabía quién se casaba.
Mhm.
Ya, no sabía. Who is getting married? ¿Eh? But maybe she knew and forgot. And here say, I hope they send me an invitation. What is hope?
¿Esperanza?
Esperanza. And we
Esperanza.
say, I hope, it's a verb.
De que puedan invitarme.
Espero.
Que me envíe.
Exacto.
Que me envíe
Ajá.
la
I
invitación.
hope they send me an invitation. So now we know that Brian is not on the list, or at least is not invited yet. Hmm? Great. And do we know if Giovanna was invited? Was her?
Yes.
Yes? We may assume that, but she may not. Huh? Why? Why do you say that she is invited? ¿Por qué dicen que está invitada, Giovanna?
Because she know that
Okay.
time the party.
Yeah, she knows that when the party will be, the time, and where, right?
Mhm.
Or what are they doing? Not where. Huh? But she may be curious and know about that, but maybe she's not invited. Yeah, but we can assume that she is. No sabemos, sabe la fecha, no sabemos si es que porque tenía una invitación. Normalmente cuando uno sabe todos esos datos, ¿por qué? Porque lo leyó en una invitación, ¿no? Así que está bien. Okay, let's do conversation number 2. And for conversation number 2, we are taking Juan Pablo and No, sí, sí, bien digo. Hernán y Juan Pablo. A and B for the conversation number 2.
Hey, Jenny, did you hear? There will be a birthday party for Tom on Saturday.
I haven't heard anything about it yet. Are you going to go?
Yeah. Would you like to go with me?
Sure, I would love to. What time will it be?
It will be at 7. I can come by and pick you up around 6:45. Will that work?
Sound good.
Great. Now I will ask Laura and Mariela exclusively, yeah, because they didn't read. Read. So, was Juan Pablo invited to the party on the first time? No, the first glance. Or Jenny? Juan Pablo was playing Jenny this time.
La pregunta puede hacer nuevamente.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah, if I can do it again. Was Jenny invited to the party? Jenny or Juan Pablo? Was Juan Pablo invited to the party?
No.
No.
No, porque, bueno, I did you hear, como, escuchaste,
Yeah.
escuchaste de la fiesta de Tom el sábado, pregunta si va a ir.
Yeah, that's right. Originally, Juan Pablo was not invited. But what did Hernán do?
Se entrecortó ahí, no escuché lo último que dijiste.
Well, so Juan Pablo was not originally invited, but what did Hernán do? Okay. ¿Algo más? No sé si están viendo lo que está pasando.
Sí. Ahí sale con...
So Juan Pablo was not invited. Huh? We all agree on this. Yeah, he was not invited. But Hernán, what did Hernán do? On the third line, what did Hernán do?
Hernán invited to Juan Pablo.
Yeah, Hernán invited Juan Pablo to the party. Okay, Hernán invited Juan Pablo to the party. Perfect. Yeah. And did he agree to go? Did he agree to go? Did Juan Pablo accept the invitation?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, and where you can find it? Which words Juan Pablo used to accept the invitation? Which ones? ¿Con qué palabras aceptó la invitación? ¿Qué dijo?
Sure.
Sure. I will love to. Huh? How will you translate that to Spanish?
Me encantaría ir.
Por supuesto, me encantaría.
Exactamente. Exactamente. Ujú. Bien, bien, muy bien. Now, you read the time like 7 o'clock, said 1 o'clock, said Giovanna, that's okay. And you can read it like 6:45, yeah? But one thing that you should know is that in English, they normally use the AM, PM time or 12-hour clock. A 12-hour clock. Here in Argentina, we use the 24-hour system, mostly. 24-hour system. If I ask you, what time is it now? What time is it now? If you are an Argentinian, you will say?
En Argentina,
Quarter to 9.
Yeah, 8:45, okay. Yeah. Maybe it's me, maybe you use this. I would say 20:45, right? For us, we would write 20:45, no?
yes.
Yeah, we use this system. We use the 24-hour clock. When you write it, it doesn't say 6 p.m. It says, what does it say in Argentina? This will be the US. In Argentina, you will use, instead of 6 p.m.,
Y 18.
1800. We say like
100.
this. In the US, at least, I don't know if the UK, they use this system for the military. For the military. They call it the military time. They use the 24-hour clock or system for the military. Okay. Yeah, but it's okay. What is AM or PM? We separate our AM and PM. That comes from Latin. Yeah, and the separation line is this one. It's called the meridianum. This is a half of the day. La mitad del día. ¿Y cómo lo decimos en español?
Mediodía.
Mediodía. De ahí viene ante meridianum and post meridianum. Antes del mediodía, después del mediodía, decimos nosotros. ¿Sí? Sabemos que está, sabemos que existe, lo entendemos todos, pero no lo usamos acá. Para nada. Nadie lo usa. Nadie te dice a las 6 p.m. No. O a las 6, porque te das cuenta del contexto, ¿no? Porque, por ejemplo, ¿vamos a jugar al fútbol? Sí, ¿a qué hora? A las 6. ¿Qué va a hacer? ¿El fútbol a qué hora es? A las 6 de la tarde.
Claro.
A las 6 de la tarde. A las 6 de la mañana no voy a jugar al fútbol. No. Te pateo solo por el mal humor que tengo de estar despierto a las 6 de la mañana, te dicen, ¿no? Entonces te pego una patada en las canillas. Pero también podemos usar, we can also say 1 in the afternoon. When we say 1 in the afternoon, 1 in the afternoon, we are saying 1 p.m. Or we can say 1 at night. Yeah, and we say, it's 1 a.m. Or 6 in the evening. 6 in the evening, 6 in the morning. Yeah. What is the morning. When does the morning start? The morning start by the dawn. That is when the sun rises. A sunrise is when the sun rises. And at the evening starts on the dusk, when the sun sets. The sun sets on the horizon. The horizon. Okay? We have all these words. Dawn, at dawn, or at dusk. Yeah. And in the middle is the mediodía.
Meridiano.
Of course, that this is not always like this, and not in our latitudes. This is true mostly on the equator. You have 12, 12. But when you go away south or north, the equator, you have changes. Like it's not always the same, but the sun comes at this time and then this time, yeah? When you go closer to the winter, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. And when you reach the summer, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. ¿Ok? ¿Se entendió eso?
Sí.
¿Lo digo en español o se entendió bien?
A ver, en Spanish.
Que esto es válido solo en el Ecuador, ¿verdad? Que sale y se pone casi siempre a la misma hora. ¿Por qué? Porque cuando te vas a las latitudes más al sur o más hacia el norte, de acuerdo a cuáles sean las estaciones, si vos te vas más al invierno, ¿qué pasa? Los días se hacen más cortos y las noches más largas. Y si te vas o si estás acercándote al verano, los días son más largos y las noches más cortas, ¿no? No es exactamente de 6 a 6, ¿no? Lo que se va corriendo. Va corriendo depende del año. Son las estaciones. Okay, let's do a last activity. And we are going to start with Laura and Mariela because we neglected them. The first one. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do this one, but let's see. I want to do this one. So, do you know the game Jeopardy? Yeah. In that game, they give you an answer, and then you have to answer with a question. You have to answer with a question.
¿Cómo? No entendí.
So here is the answer, but I don't know the question. Okay, so I want you to tell me the question to this answer. Okay, let's start with Mariela or Laura. So the answer is, there will be dancing at the party. And I'm asking you to make it a question or to ask for something that can be answered with that thing. Tendrías que hacer una pregunta que se pueda responder con esta respuesta que está acá.
Entiendo, para la respuesta entiendo que es, dice va a haber un baile en la fiesta, ¿está bien?
Ajá.
Entonces es what's gonna be in the party?
Okay. Okay. That's one. Yeah. Or you. Yeah. That's okay. Then, Mariela, the wedding will be at 6 p.m.
At times, no, what time is the wedding?
Okay, that's great. Giovanna, the reception will be at the church.
Mm. Where?
Mhm.
Where? Yeah. Where? Is the reception?
Yeah. Mhm. Great. Or where will be the reception, or where will the reception be? Yeah, because we talk about the future, but it's okay. Diana,
Yes.
the graduation will start at 2 p.m.
Sí. What time does the party end?
Okay. But if you ask this, will they answer
Start.
this? The graduation will start at 2 p.m. This is the answer. Is this the correct answer to this one?
Mm. Mm.
Mm,
So what time? It's okay. Does the, it's okay. But what should we change here?
wedding.
Start?
But the answer is the graduation will be start at 2 p.m. This is the answer. You have to do the question. ¿Entiendes? Esta es la respuesta. The graduation will start at 2 p.m. ¿Qué es lo que tenías que haber preguntado
What
para que te
time
respondan?
does the graduation end?
Okay. But are they asking for the finish time or for the beginning of the ceremony? With these questions, you want to know when does it end? And they are answering you.
Start.
Yeah, we have to change this to start.
Oh, okay.
Because they say the graduation will start at 2 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, great. Then, ¿quién era? Me perdí. ¿Hernán?
A mí. Me
Juan.
falta a mí. No.
Juan. There will be refreshment.
Mm. In the wedding and no, ¿cómo sería, verdad? Is,
What is the Spanish word that you want to use?
si en la boda habrá refrigerio, sería.
Okay.
¿No?
What is the word that you want to put here? Say it in Spanish. You say it, but just that word.
Mm, is? No.
This is for the present.
Well,
Present, no, present. Sorry. The present. Yeah? And you want to say is, or do you want to say there is? That in Spanish we say I. Huh? In the past, we use there, was, or were, no? Hubo. And you want to say this one, because you said it in Spanish. This is for the future. Yeah? They are talking in the future. There will be. There will be. So how is the phrase that you have to use here?
Bueno, como es la pregunta, will be.
Yeah, it will be. There will be.
Will be refreshment.
Yeah. So you have to ask. Huh? You have to ask. So we change. In the wedding, we put it at the end. Okay? And we ask, will there be refreshments? Remember that we ask, we change the order, yeah?
Okay.
Will there be refreshment in the wedding?
Okay.
And we end with a question mark. Yeah, perfect. Last one. For who? Hernan, did you?
Okay.
Yeah. The birthday party will be at my house. What is the question to this?
Where will
Where will
be the birthday party?
Okay.
Where will be the birthday party?
Okay. Since we are asking a question, we just change this to the end. Yeah? Where will the birthday party be? We. Okay?
Ah, le vi al final.
Uh-huh.
Bien.
Great. You did it great. This part, I will skip it and I will put you a video later. You can find a video where they pronounce the W, like we, wedding, weeks, wish. It's for us in Spanish, it's more like a boo. We say boo, shower, showing, blowing, wing. We say boo. This is a good sound.
Boo.
It's an easy sound. It's always the same.
Boo.
But then we have this sound that is similar to our B. It is B. B. On your lips. B. Vocabulary. Bear. Very. It is so on your lips that actually, you know that German and English are related. German language and English language are related. But they had this change to this sound. And in German, most of the times, this letter is called V. And makes the F sound. Verein. Hace como una F. En alemán es el sonido. Se muerde tanto los labios que es una F. Nosotros también mordemos los labios en el español. ¿Sí? Deberíamos. La B labial se llama también a la B corta. ¿Sí? La B labial. Y la B larga o la B suave, ¿no? Que es la B apretando los labios. La B, como un beso. ¿Sí? En inglés, esa B se pronuncia igual. Vocabulary. Se muerden los labios, igual que en el español. Y la W para nosotros es boo. Wedding. Subway. Water. Depende de si quieren o no las vocales, si son británicos o no. O americanos, ¿no? El tema de vocales es otra cosa, ¿no? Pero la V es así.
Wing.
Wing, wish, way. ¿sí? Pero bueno, al final no me lo salteé, lo dijimos. ¿Sí? La B corta es la B labial y la W es bu. ¿Mm?
Bu, a la verga.
Ok. Great. I think we are done with this. Next week, we will have lesson number 23. And then the other week is the last meeting. It's our last lesson for this 2021 edition that is in 2022. ¿Ok? Así que bueno, vamos a terminar la grabación acá. La siguiente va a ser sobre el pasado. Vamos spoileando un poquito. ¿Mm? Nos vamos a ver la semana que viene. Capaz que no sea exactamente el 14, estoy pensando, porque alguien me dijo que no podía estar, porque bueno, el 14 es feriado en realidad. Capaz que les sugiero si la corremos también para no perder la semana. Pero bueno, lo hablamos después fuera de off the record. ¿Ok?
Sí.
Okay, let's finish the lesson here. Thank you for your views on the YouTube channel, and let's stop recording now.